Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today it's Friday, yay, but I'm probably filming a few videos. I'm not sure if this one will go up first or not, but I am going to film my Sephora haul from the VIB sale. So I have this and I have a box. So some of these were delivered to my home from the store, and then these I got some things in a box, so let's get started. Okay, friends, I'm going to pull out the biggest thing in here, and that is, this is Sephora cotton. These are cotton swabs. I just got them because they're 30% off, and I like they're kind of bigger and softer than just normal ones. I do have normal ones too, but I wanted to try these and see how I liked them. So I'm going to open them up here and show you what it's just a square, they're just little pads. They're just little, almost, they look like little, they're super cute. They look like little washcloths, you know, right there. Just a little washcloth. So anyway, they are kind of like washcloths. They're very, I don't know. Anyway, we'll see how it works. So these are probably great if you use a makeup removing gel or something to do that. But anyway, so I'll try them. They're 30% off. So that's my first item. Since I did that, I think I'm going to share my other two Sephora items I got. There were so many I could have got from Sephora, but I don't really, they're not my go-to brand. So but I love these lip. I got one in a different color, but these are, if I can read this, they're just the Colorful Gloss Balm, and they're just, I don't know. I like them. They're good to put like in the pouty area, just in the middle section of your lips. And I got like a golden color before that I really loved, and they're always out of stock of that one. It seems like I've been wanting to pick it up again, but this one here, this has this kind of a, there we go, and I'll try, this one's just kind of a little bit of a neutral color, pinkish, whatever. Doesn't really do much with the color I'm on. But also this one's a little bit deeper pink, brighter pink. So, you know, I'm a pink girl, so I will wear those. So, the next thing I have here, I guess I should start pulling things out. I wanted to wipe that off real quick. But I got from one size, Patrick Star, one size, I got I don't know about this. This was just something I really wanted to try. But it's the pink setting powder, or, you know, like a translucent powder kind of thing. And, you know, since I do pink a lot, I just thought, I probably won't make too much difference being pink, but I thought that will be fun. You know, that'd be fun to try. So a lot of times I try to open these before I film because I spend so much time trying to open things. And I think that I'm just not going to worry about opening this, but I'm just going to show you what it is. So this was a little bit pricey, but I really wanted to try it. So there's that. It feels very bougie. I mean, it's heavy duty. It's got glass. Well, that's probably plastic, but it's just heavy duty. So anyway, so that's kind of fun. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is, what is this? Oh, this was just a little sample. I got this for 100 points. This is the Caudalie Vino Pure Face, like a serum. I love it. It's like my favorite, and Caudalie is, tends to be real expensive. This is a cute little glass bottle. It doesn't have that much in it, but it has enough to, you know, it definitely would last, I would think, at least a couple of weeks or 3 weeks if you use it every day. But I love this stuff. I want to afford it, but I just don't. So whenever I have the opportunity to pick up any kind of this product for a cheaper price, I will do that. But this one just came with 100 points of my VIB points. But so there's that. Let's see what else I have in here. What fell here? Okay, so I got the tattoo pencil liner from KVD. This is the gel eyeliner, and I just really like it. I actually think I got this mixed up though with the, it looks so much like the Too Faced Sex Kitten, I think is what they call it, eyeliner, and I don't know, I think this works a lot the same though. So I'm happy I actually have gel eyeliners that I really like, and I like the way this one looks. So there's that. So, and I actually got this. This actually I didn't buy on the VIB sale. I bought, well, right before the VIB sale, they had like 50% off certain products. And I picked that up. I knew I liked it, so I picked that up in the 50% off. The next item I have here is, yes, Charlotte Tilbury. And it is the blush. Now I had pretty much have picked up most everything Charlotte Tilbury, but I didn't have a blush. So I picked this up, and I actually really like it. I tried it. I have a Charlotte Tilbury video coming out soon. That's kind of the color of it. It's just kind of around their Pillow Talk line. They're her Pillow Talk colors. Really like it though. And it came, well, anyway, I got that. So I got that on sale. And then, because I liked that, I got, I like to do a, you know, kind of a wet blush and a dry blush. So I got this little blush palette also from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a mini palette, but it still has a good amount of blush and highlighter. So there's that. And they just look really pretty together. So so on my Charlotte Tilbury makeup, I did a try on, get ready with me, and so that video, look for that video coming up here this next week. So anyway, there's that, the blush highlight. One more thing from Charlotte Tilbury, I got the this is the airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and let's see if I can open it up. There we go. That's what it looks like. I really wanted this. I heard great things about it, so it's also featured in the video. I pretty much have everything. I have pretty much all the products now to do a good face. I got the foundation. I don't have a primer or her setting spray, but I have everything else. So anyway, there's that. So now we're going to get into the box. So, and I actually just have a couple items in here, but I got one kit, and I got something in there, and I got a kit, and looks like they didn't give me any samples. Wah, wah. Maybe I have to pick one I didn't or something. I don't know. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, this is the Sephora Favorites Fresh Face Kit. Now I think this was like $35 or something, and I priced things out. There was actually a couple of items in here that I really wanted, and I figured I would just get this and I could try, then I could try some of the other things too. So I was kind of excited about this. I don't always go for these because a lot of times they don't seem to really be worth the money, but this one I felt was, and this one actually had a lot higher reviews than the other ones. So it's just the Sephora Favorites Fresh Face Kit. You can tear and open. Okay, so look inside. This is like getting a little, you know, glam bag or something in a month. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is from Danessa Merrick. Okay, so this is the Danessa Merrick's. It's a Blur Balm Powder is what it says. So there it is. It's for the, it says it's for the face and eyes. Face and eyes. So I don't know exactly. So it's a blurring. So it is. It looks just, it looks and feels like a balm. So I don't know if it goes on like a powder. I don't know. Doesn't have a smell. So anyway, it feels like a balm to me. Don't really see much there, but it's, anyway, I'm kind of excited. It's Danessa Merrick's. I like her stuff. So anyway, that's the first thing that's in here. The next thing is Makeup by Mario, and this is a, let's see. Looks like this is a lip balm. So I don't really get a smell from that either. So it's just that one has a little bit, I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little bit of a color there, Phil. So that was the second thing. Don't have anything from Makeup by Mario, by the way. So anyway, the next thing is this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. So it's a really good mascara. I really like it. So that was in there, and that's a full size. And the next thing I'm going to pull out here is from Iconic. You guys, I like Iconic makeup. I actually have I have a ton of Iconic makeup, but I don't have this one. And I kind of, it's like a highlighter, kind of a spray, a highlight spray. I'm not sure exactly how you use it. I would think it'd be nice to use like on your chest, or if you want to just have kind of a shimmer face, you could do that. But anyway, yeah, I'm not going to open it, but there's that. So it's pretty decent size. It's still small, you know, deluxe, but it's a good size. Okay, the next thing I have here is, this is the lip injection from Too Faced Cosmetics. It's a lip injection, a lip shaper. Is that what it says? Anyway, so it just looks like a lip pencil. Oh, you just push it like this out. Okay, there's the color. So it's kind of like a pillow talk. I use that term a lot, but it's kind of that color, that kind of color scheme. And then just keep going. This is kind of a fun little thing. So anyway, there, oh, I don't know how well I showed this before, but that's what we're looking at here. And then the next thing I have in here is from Huda Beauty, and it's a creamy coal pencil, and I like it because I think it's brown and it's a gel, which I like. So ooh, look at that. So there's that. So an eyeliner. These are all things I'll use, so it was worth it for me to get this. Then it has a little small sample of this is the Drunkelephant bronze drops, which I like because I can actually take this on vacation with me. So anyway, I'm happy with that. The last thing in here is another thing I really like, but I don't really own. I own a lot of Rare Beauty products, but this one is just the lip. It's in the color Happy, or the cheek in color Happy. And okay, it's very pinkish. I did too much again. I tend to do that. I know there's the color right there. So I'm excited about that. I know it just takes a little bit of this, so getting just a deluxe sample is okay with me because it'll still last a really long time. So anyway, that was a really fun bag of stuff. So let's put it all back in. So we got the Iconic shimmer spray, the Tarte mascara, the Drunkelephant, and I know you guys, some of you guys are really wanting this. You want to go run and see if they have it still. The lip injection from Too Faced, the liner. I love lip pencils. The creamy coal looks like a great Huda Beauty. Looks like a great eyeliner. the blush, the Happy Blush from Rare Beauty, and the makeup, the Mario lip, really good lip, and the Danessa Merrick's, whatever this Yummy Skin blurred cream. So anyway, I'm excited about that. So that was really fun. So I just have one more thing in this, and I saved the best for last. I did something kind of crazy. This is really not like me, but I got a Natasha Denona palette, and it's not one you would think that I would normally buy, but I'm going to tell you why I got this. The Natasha Denona Xena palette, it's got, it's just not me, really, totally, but, because it's like more a smoky eye grays and stuff, but I got it for the whites. Oh my gosh. And I have several Natasha palettes, and I love them all. I love them all. So anyway, this one, here's the look of it. But I like it for all the light colors because I tend to use a lot of light colors on my lids. And this just has really good selection. And I also want to try a smoky look. So I think I'll have fun with this palette. So I broke down and got it. I got the nude one in the last VIB sale or whatever. Is that what they call it? Anyway. So now I'll try this one. So that's it for that. So I got this. Is the Natasha Denona, the one size, and all the stuff from Charlotte Tilbury, and yeah, the lip products. Now I'm gonna pull something out here that I got from Amazon because I just stuck it in here. I just got it, but I've been looking for in fact, I want to make one because I can't find one anywhere that just has like white or light color, white, light pink, whatever eyeshadows. And they have, Alme has one. It has a white one, and it I think on Amazon it was like $16.99, but they also had this one that was a little bit off-white, more creamy color. And this one is $5.99 or $5. I don't know. It was way cheaper than the other one. And it came the next day, whereas the other one I think took a while to ship. So anyway, but it has a matte, a shimmer, a glitter, and a satin. So it's got 4 shadows in kind of the same color range, and I love it. They're so pretty. I have used this palette. So, so there they are. They all look the same in here, but but they do, some of them have a shimmer. Some of them have, yeah, you can't really tell, but I can tell when I put it on my eyes, the ones that have shimmers or whatever. So I just wanted to share that because I thought it was kind of fun for just a little, just if you're into like light eyeshadows, that was fun. But this one, for being a smoky eye and a darker shadow palette, I just think it does great with all the lighter colors. They're just, some of those lighter colors are just beautiful. So anyway, I don't always use every color in an eyeshadow palette anyway. So I'm excited to do this. I'll try it. Maybe I'll do a video with it. Let me know if you'd like that. So that's it for my Sephora haul. What do you think? Did you guys shop Sephora Sale and or get any makeup recently? Let me know what you think of my choices, and let me know what you like and what your favorites are. So thanks for being here, friends. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right. Bye-bye.